Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss, still has not been able to break and hold above structure. The trend is definitely still down. Now, there's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing down because every higher time frame is in a downtrend. The higher time frames are in a downtrend, so the time frames we should be looking for sorts. If it does decide to break structure, then I do think it would justify looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. But since we still do not have a breaker structure, even on the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for shorts because the trend is down on literally every single higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.